Hi, it's Brooke from Handmade Craftiness. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the specimen frame from my Night of Frights kit, which I'll link in the description below. Once you have cut the templates out, you will then need to remove the centre square using a craft knife or scissors. Using a scoreboard, score and fold along the thin black lines. If you wish to ink the edges, now is the best time to do this. For the first frame, we will do a top opening, and for the second frame we'll do a side opening. Cut out some of the provided background paper from the kit and use this to line the inside of the frames. Now you need to glue the tab over the paper to create a neat edge, and repeat this for both. Next we want to close our frames to make them pockets by gluing the remaining tabs and folding the pockets over. Once these are glued, you should then have an opening on the top or the side. Using the lined paper provided in the extras kit, glue this onto the back of the cards. Next you want to grab these pieces and fold them in half. These will make your pull tabs, which you can also ink. Apply glue to both sides of the tab and attach these to the cards as shown. If you would like to add accessories such as eyelets and ball chains, now would be the time to do this. You can attach these if you'd like to add handwriting, or you can use the words provided in the kit. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials.